Intro lit, but you been on this. Ripping up the beat, instrumental sick. Yeah, bass hit nice, well made it on my own. Dripping with the sauce in my phone, stage right. Oh, American Psycho. Yeah, in real life, bro, I really chop it up. But where is the knife though? I don't know, but I like your flow. It's kinda good as far as terrible rhymes go. Sheesh.
Hey guys, I'm Naira, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be going over the two different methods that I know of to do colored eyebrows. There is just the concealed way and then the glued and concealed way. Thank you for clicking the video. Finish watching it and you'll see how I did this, and you can choose which way you want to do it and which way you think would be the he's out of my head, my face. Okay. Girl, I haven't had my eyebrows waxed yet. I don't know how long, so don't judge me. Okay, products you're gonna need is some school glue and your LA Girls concealer. I'm using this primer. I took it from my mom. It's a moisturizing and tightening from Hard Candy, probably from Walgreens or something. I'm not gonna use too much, girl. I'm not gonna use too much because I'm only doing my eyebrows. I ain't doing all that stuff today. Like, you're gonna need a spoolie. Mine's just half-half. And you're just gonna brush them up a little bit. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush up this one. Because this one is the one that's harder. So I'm just boop, boop. I brush it up right here, but then I do down right here. But that's not all. You need to be careful. You need to brush it the way you want it to be after you put the glue on there, because that glue sticks. That look good? Yeah. Then I'm gonna take my LA Girls and my, what is this? Beauty blender. Okay, gonna take your LA Girls and then I just do. I actually have a TikTok where I'm like doing a transition from no makeup to some makeup, but like I didn't think to do it to after I concealed my eyebrows, and like it's just killing me inside that look that people think I don't have no eyebrows. Gonna do the same. We're gonna do the same thing to this one over here. Also, look at my palettes. I have another one coming, but it's gonna take forever because of the quarantine. Well, Corona. Miss Rona is out there causing havoc. I'm gonna be using my main squeeze palette. I should put on a red bandana. I couldn't find a red scarf, even though I just wore it These Colorpop palettes, really good, but they're like pressed powder ones. So like these things can come off like
12 seconds later.
What? Look! Okay. This video is a mess. I'm gonna use this red color right here. So, this regular. I tried to shape it, but I know that I have like really shaky hands. Like, so I know that I'm not gonna get it perfect. When I do it, I go straight like that, but then I like to like just get a little messy and like just tap it on there to make sure like it's very vibrant. This boy is down, like she ain't going nowhere. I don't know if it's really much of a difference, but what I will say these last way better, way longer. Like when I was taking off those eyebrows, I was like scrubbing it. Like these ain't going nowhere. Like take me swimming, take me swimming. I'm gonna use my matte poreless Maybelline Fit Me on the top, and then at the bottom I'm gonna use my Fenty. I like to have lighter at the bottom and darker at the top. I just ate a big old cinnamon bun in like 2 seconds. A little hack for you guys. I use a plate and put my foundations and stuff on here because I found that when I put it on my hand and got it from there, I always forgot to wipe it off, or I'll move and I'll get on my clothes, and I just hate that. Like it happened way too many times, and it's kind of like a painter. Like if you had to put your finger through it. So shake her up. So I just put like 2 little things. I might have put too much of the darker shade, but whatever. And I use my curved brush. I got these from Amazon. I don't buy fancy brushes. They be trying to make you pay like $50, $20, more than $5 for a brush. More than $10. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Stupid. And we're just gonna clean her up. And I'm gonna take my darker one. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I always like to fix them up because like I said, I'm very insecure about my eyebrows and I never feel like they're shaped good. So I go back in with this after I've done concealing and everything, and I try to get it into a really good shape without going too crazy. Like this one I feel like should be a little thicker right here, like a little bigger. Yeah, see, and it was like, I don't know if y'all could tell, but that looks much better in my opinion. That's basically a finished product. I use Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray, and it was 30 bucks. So I don't really recommend buying this because when I bought it, I was like, I didn't know what I was. Woo! Like I didn't know I could get mini bottles of it. I could have got a mini bottle for like 15 bucks. But here is the glue one. Here is the glueless one. You see, you can really see it. Like these have like little flyaways and things. Ugh. But these ones is staying down. So I find these really, if you want a cleaner look, do this. But if you're just trying to do it and go, do this. But cause you see like that right there, that's not cute. That's not cute at all. Thank you for watching my video. I'm Naira. Subscribe. Good stuff, good things, all that.